Ever wondered why Python is so popular in machine learning? Is it the simplicity, versatility, or the rich ecosystem of libraries? Well, it's all of the above and much more. To start with, Python is home to several powerful libraries that make machine learning a breeze. Take Scikit-Learn, for example, a comprehensive library that offers classical machine learning algorithms from linear regression to random forests. Or TensorFlow, the brainchild of Google Brain, an open-source library that's perfect for machine learning and deep learning models. Then there's Keras, a high-level neural networks API, and PyTorch, a dynamic and flexible open-source deep learning framework birthed by Facebook's AI research lab. And let's not forget Pandas and NumPy, essential tools for data manipulation and scientific computing. But it's not just the libraries that make Python a darling of machine learning. The language itself is a charm. Python's syntax is as simple as it can get, easy to learn for beginners and fluid for the pros. Its readability is a boon for teams, fostering seamless collaboration. One can't overlook Python's vast and active community. This tribe of developers contributes to machine learning libraries, curates tutorials, and offers support through numerous forums and communities. Whether it's a question on Stack Overflow or a code snippet on GitHub, help is always around the corner. Integration is another feather in Python's cap. It plays well with other technologies and languages, making it ideal for building end-to-end machine learning pipelines. From data pre-processing, model training, to deployment and monitoring, Python is the go-to language. And finally, visualization. Python brings data to life with libraries like Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Plotly. These are vital for understanding data sets, evaluating model performance, and communicating results. To sum it all up, Python is the heart and soul of machine learning. Its simplicity, extensive libraries, community support, and integration capabilities make it an ideal choice for implementing machine learning algorithms and building data-driven applications. So the next time you dive into a machine learning project, you know Python's got your back. In this scene, we delve deeper into Python's utility in the realm of machine learning. Python's simplicity and extensive libraries make it stand out in the field of machine learning. From simple regression models to complex artificial intelligence, AI algorithms, Python's got it all covered. Its ability to handle large data sets, perform numerical computations, and even implement deep learning models is truly remarkable. The popular machine learning libraries like Scikit-Learn, TensorFlow, and PyTorch are all Python-based, making it a favorite amongst data scientists and AI researchers. Moreover, Python's inherent readability and ease of learning make it a perfect starting point for beginners in machine learning. In essence, Python is not just a programming language, it's a powerful tool that can turn data into valuable insights and predictions. So next time you're pondering over which language to choose for your machine learning project, remember Python is not just an option, it's the option. Now before we wrap up, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content on Python and machine learning. We have a lot more exciting topics to cover in the upcoming videos, so stay tuned.